Hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I made my last video. Actually, it's been quite a few years, actually. But I do plan on making videos on a regular basis, so keep an eye out for those. But I do want to do a quick unboxing for you. Recently, I've gotten into a new hobby, which is mechanical keyboards. I've built 4 in the last year. It's just something fun to do on the side. But this one just came out. This is from a company called Vortex out of Taiwan. And it was a joint venture with a company called KBt. And as you can tell from the box, it's actually based off an IBM keyboard that was made back in the late 80s, early 90s. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you. Unfortunately, most of my stuff is still in storage. I just moved recently. So I'm only able to do it with one hand. So I actually pre-unboxed it for you, but I wanna show you what it does come with. It does come with quite a bit. So it does come with a Vortex branded switch puller, a keyboard cover, a manual, a coiled cable, this is type C, some extra keycaps, and an Allen key and a keycap puller. All right, so let me get the box out of the way and show you the new keyboard. So as you can tell, it's definitely very retro. It's actually based off the IBM Junior, and it's actually an almost faithful recreation. It's actually fairly weighty as well. So it's actually made out of plastic with actually a metal logo, very reminiscent of the original IBM. This does run off type C, and it's also Bluetooth as well, so you have the choice of either doing both. Of course, it runs off of 2 AAA batteries. It also does come with a dongle. And they made several versions of this as far as different switches you can use. I actually picked the milky white, and let me hit a few switches. So it actually sounds pretty good. And this is just a quick unboxing. I'm not gonna do like a full review, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So keep an eye out for more videos in the future, and have a great day.